Having published my books to some of the largest platforms in the world, like Amazon KDP, IngramSpark, Draft2Digital, and even audiobooks on Findaway Voices, I've now sold over 100,000 copies. However, what have I learnt on the journey over those 2.5 years? What are some tips that I can provide you that will help you as potentially a beginner in the self-publishing space? Now, thank you very much for joining me on my YouTube channel. My name is Romney. Now, in this video, what I want to do is cover off 20 tips that I can provide you, along with a resource that I've created just for you, particularly if you're new to self-publishing. I've taken a long time to bring this resource together for you. You'll be able to download it for free, and after providing my 20 tips, I'm also going to go through the resource that you can download, and there are an extra 5 bonus tips within that resource as well. So that's something that I definitely recommend that you download to go through and check out. So let me go through my 20 tips to start with, and hopefully you'll get some benefit from these tips. So let me start with my first 20 tips. Remember, there's an extra 5 bonus tips within the resource, and I'll show you that resource, the full resource, in a moment. So tip number 1, self-publishing is a long game. Avoid thinking short term, as this will just compromise the quality of your books. Number 2, take advantage of the knowledge and skill set of others to shorten your self-publishing learning curve. Watch videos, take courses, read books, but importantly, take action as you learn. Don't procrastinate. Number 3, don't ever get caught up following or trying to emulate a hot niche or a special keyword that you may see or hear about. Complete your own research. Number 4, when you do launch, consider this as the starting point, not the finishing line. Number 5, invest in tools or software platforms that reduce time wasting. Remember, these platforms are an investment, not an expense. Number 6, if creating low or no content books, spend your initial few months to learn additional design skills and the KDP upload process. So note down what your strengths and your weaknesses are and consider outsourcing these, being your weaknesses. Number 7, don't ever compromise your KDP account with bulk uploading, enlisting in incorrect categories, or black hat tactics to gain reviews. Number 8, broaden your publishing reach. Publish on multiple platforms, if possible, including Amazon KDP, IngramSpark, Draft2Digital, and even Lulu. Number 9, allocate an advertising budget for your books. Amazon do not care about your books unless they sell. You need to get that traction. Number 10, if purchasing ready-made interiors, always modify and add your own unique flair to make them original. Okay, now as we round the halfway point, number 11, never copy or mimic books of other authors or publishers. Be original. It could also cause you to lose your KDP account if you do. Number 12, aim to build an email list of loyal customers. You can do this by providing free giveaways in your books. Add more value than your customer expects. Number 13, be careful taking publishing advice from anyone that doesn't have proven results. It's like taking financial advice from someone that is broke. Number 14, niche research and finding profitable keywords does take time. Embrace it, document your findings, and gather as much supporting data as possible. Number 15, the first 30 days when your book goes live is crucial. Market and advertise your book as much as you can, and don't take your foot off the pedal. Keep it down, keep making sure that you advertise all the time. And on the home stretch now, number 16, over time, develop a book launch team. This helps significantly to gain initial sales and social proof via reviews. The algorithms do love it too. Number 17, always be thinking of ways you can get repeat customers. What could you include in your book to bring them back time and time again? Number 18, think carefully about your brand from the very beginning. What will it stand for? Do you want it to represent anything in particular? Number 19, Develop monthly and annual publishing goals. They will keep you focused, and this helps you avoid other distractions. And number 20, invest in quality book covers. When was the last time you purchased a book with a terrible cover? It rarely happens. If designing is not a talent of yours, outsource to someone whose talent it is. So there, 20 tips. Remember, I've got another 5 bonus tips within the resource that I'll be showing you in a moment, so make sure you download that resource to get those extra tips. So let me show you quickly through the resource that you can download, which is this one right here, and you can actually check out everything that is contained, including those 5 free bonuses, and there's lots of other resources and templates that you can download. So let me show you through the resource quickly now. And this is the resource that I was discussing. I'm going to hide those extra 5 bonus tips because I know that you'll love them when you do download the resource. So let's have a quick flick through this resource. So we've just got the table of contents. Then we've got those first 20 tips that I showed you. Let me go to the next page, but I'll have to cover up that those last 5 tips. I've got the resources. So there's lots of different resources. I've listed whether they're free or paid resources, courses and videos. There's free and paid videos as well. There's different courses you can find different platforms you can find my courses on. The different print-on-demand platforms, different templates, including copyright templates, IBSN trackers. There's different glossary terms. Lots of information here for you, plus different resources as well. All the links are included in the description below, and you might also find helpful the new course that I've created about how to self-publish on IngramSpark. So that's my newest course, but all the other courses are linked down below too. So thank you very much for watching. I hope those 20 tips will help you in your self-publishing as a beginner, and I look forward to providing a new video with new content very soon. So thanks very much.